Most manufacturing processes don't fit neatly into standard machine designs. Materials behave differently, cycles vary, integration requirements change. When equipment is selected from a one-size-fits-all catalog, those differences are often managed through compromises. Over time, those compromises show up as limitations in performance, uptime, and the ability to scale or automate. That's why in Macrodyne, we don't build off-the-shelf presses. Every system we deliver is custom-engineered around the application, from standalone presses to fully automated, lights-out facilities.
Macrodyne doesn't build catalog parts. We build custom-designed solutions for nearly every industry. It could be anything from a standalone press to a lights-out facility. Macrodyne designs and builds exactly what the customer needs and delivers exactly when the customer needs it.
The goal is straightforward. Equipment that fits the process, performs reliably, and supports long-term production.